all delegates of Asian Youth Day 7 2017 from Archdiocese of Palembang. AYD 7 is over. Yet, will the memories of AYD pass away? No. Remember our social media hashtag, belum move on dari Asian Youth Day 2017. And for those of you who didn't have the chance to participate in AYD 7, don't be sad. We share our joy through this video.
Indonesia, jom!
Joyful Asian Youth, living the gospel in multicultural Asia. We are joyed to be a part of AYD 7, attended by over than 2,000 young people in Asia, the clergies in Asia, and the government officials in Indonesia. Our joy became full when we heard that the Lord Jesus Christ loves us, the young man in the homily of Cardinal Patrick D'Rozario, President of the Asian Youth at the Asian Bishop Conference Federation at the opening Eucharist. So, our task now is to share God's love for you, Catholic youth, in Archdiocese of Palembang. AYD 7 gave us a lot of joy and memories. We rejoiced when we see dance from various countries in Asia and also when we dance. We learned how to live as young people in accordance with the teachings of the Catholic Church in pluralism for mutual respect through various seminars, exposures, reflections, sharing sessions in Sumatran Region, and our dynamic with our Moslem friends. We learned to contemplate ourselves before God in our prayer and celebration of the sacraments. We also rejoice when one of us celebrates his birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
crown our joy with closing Eucharist.
Semoga ini tetap berlanjut terus dan orang muda tetap berpegang teguh pada iman. Jos!
We hope you have the chance to participate in AYD 8 2020 in India, and may we be able to serve God and others in these multicultural Asian countries, especially in our diocese.